Hi everybody, Grandpa here. Well, let's go on over and work on our little bird some more. And our little bird now has a name. I'll tell you what it is when we get over there and get going. Come on, let's go. Well, here we are. Now, our little bird, which now has a name, one of our followers said, let's call her Dandelion. So, Dandelion it is. All right, now, Dandelion has got blue on her head. Okay, as soon as I can get this blue to flow, we're going to give her some blue on her head, just like that. Just like that. I'm using a cerulean blue, but you can use whatever blue you've got. It's not a big problem, okay? Now I'm going to take just a little touch of Prussian blue and make it a little darker back there. Okay, there she is. Look how pretty Dandelion is. By golly. Okay, now I'm going to get into a little bit of really watered down gray, okay? And we need to put just a little bit of gray here and a little bit of gray there, like that. See, so her head now has some shape to it, okay? It's a little rounder than it was before. Okay, by golly, look at how Dandelion is coming to life more and more and more. This is some more medium yellow. We'll give her a little bit more of that around the edges. Okay, just like that. And by golly, be with me tomorrow and we'll start working on the branch she's on, okay? Remember, I love you, I love you, I love you.